Hi, I'm Billy DeCuris, Director of Sales and Business Development for Club Car. All of us here in Augusta, Georgia are excited about what is coming in the near future. And for the next 18 minutes, I would like to introduce you to the new Carryall product line and share with you the many features and benefits the products will offer. The Carryall family line has been a proven winner over the last 28 years for Club Car. So when we re-engineered the new product line, the goal was to create a new, heavier duty vehicle look, something that didn't look like a golf car. We also wanted to keep the proven reliability our customers had become accustomed to. By keeping some of the original proven components and combining them with the new innovations, we built a product line that not only looks great, but can also handle the everyday rugged use that utility vehicles have to withstand. Compare new Carryall 500 to the older Carryall, and there's some real differences. When you look at the front bodies face to face, you'll notice the new Carryall is much higher in profile. Side to side, the new Carryall has a more aggressive stance compared to the older Carryall. So what I'd like to do now is talk about the canopy top. Notice the canopy heavy-duty struts. Also underneath between the canopy and the strut are rubber grommets here, and basically they prevent rattling and squeaking at the canopy top. We worked really hard on the top of the canopy to make sure that water would fall to the back part of the canopy, but fall to the sides rather than in the bed or on the passenger. You'll notice that the front body has a much heavier duty look to it. It is also slanted in a way so the driver has much better visibility when looking over the front of the vehicle. The body material is still TPO painted body, which is the same proven design that our present Carryall has had for many years. It has an open area allowing for the addition of company decals or logos. The vehicle comes standard with halogen headlights and DC to DC converter. The new halogen headlights are built with a new modern design and work on a lower wattage. Thus it improves the bulb life by 7 times over the previous light package that we had. There's also an LED light package that's available as an added accessory. You'll notice this is our heavy-duty front bumper. It's actually built much heavier duty than in the past. We've also built it so it sticks out farther to protect the front suspension components. In addition to that, we also have a heavy-duty brush guard bumper system that is available for those heavy-duty applications. And we also have additional accessories that protect the headlights. The front body has no fasteners and can be easily removed, allowing for easy access to the front suspension components and dash wiring. Easy removal also allows swapping of colored bodies to meet customer demands. And last, take a look where the charger plug is located, right underneath the Club Car logo. Easy access. The rear box, floor, and sides are still built in our proven aluminum design. The new lines of the vehicle really enhance the look of the Carryall product line. But the one thing we did do was keep the strength of aluminum in the vehicle. The new Easy Latch design is actually hidden. By lifting up the cross member allows for easy opening and closing. The rear bed is much more balanced now and requires less strength to lift it even when fully loaded. Another exciting feature is the ability to add attachments to the rear side channels either on the outside or the inside of the bed. Simply by hooking them on, tightening them like this, and they've got basically a pull down mechanism that holds it on. Several accessories will be available to hold or secure products such as a bucket holder, a weed whacker holder, leaf blower, ladder rack, additional fuel tank, tool rack, tie downs. Another great feature is the ability to add dividers to the inside rear box, thus eliminating loads from sliding or shifting. In addition, there will be a locking plastic toolbox that will also be available as an accessory. The dash area has been completely redesigned. With the front body slanting like it is, our engineers were able to create a cockpit area that is much more automotive. All dash components are very ergonomically friendly, allowing less reach and easy access to switches, shift levers, and even the key switch. The LSV Carryall product will come standard with a digital dash. The digital dash will have many built-in features such as a speedometer, fuel gauge, and other key information items. The vehicle has excellent storage compartments that are designed so all items in the compartments fall forward to the front of the vehicle. This prevents anything from bouncing out while driving over rough terrain. The driver's storage compartment has an additional shelf for cell phones or a radio. It also has a standard 12-volt power point outlet that's built into the dash compartment. The passenger dash compartment area is large and is also designed so an iPad or a clipboard can easily fit into the compartment. A locking glove box is also available as an accessory on the passenger storage compartment area. The hip restraints are larger and rounded, giving them a more robust look and feel. It also allows for easy access into the vehicle and exit out of the vehicle. The seat bottom and seat back have been redesigned to give you better comfort and better back support. When you take in the combination of the newly redesigned dash and the seat, it gives you more of an automotive feel because everything is closer to you. It makes you feel like you're sitting in the vehicle like an automobile, not on a vehicle like a golf cart. We've maintained the proven design of our front suspension. The front suspension design has not changed except for some tweaking of the springs, the shocks, which allows us to now utilize common springs and shocks for both the electric and gas vehicles. We still have a self-adjusting rack and pinion steering, self-adjusting steering column, and we still have the capability of doing toe-in and camber adjustments. Our turning radius has changed by only 3 inches larger than what it was before, so we still have the tightest turning radius in the industry. The front suspension only has 2 Zerk fittings that are located on the kingpins. Ball joints are sealed as well as other components and need no lubrication. With the brake design, we stay with the 20-year proven design, no change in the brake cable or the heel brake design. You'll notice that the tires are now 20-inch. Our previous tire was only 18. The 20-inch tires have a much wider profile than the previous design. When we talk about the aluminum chassis design, it has not changed and is still built in the quality 6061 I-beam aluminum. When you combine the new tires, new tweaks in the shocks and springs, and the aluminum chassis, they make up a ride that you will find incredibly smooth and solid, especially when compared to our present Carryall design. Subaru convinced Club Car they wanted to win with us and helped us build the highest quality engine we could put into our vehicles. The EX40 engine was developed by Subaru in 2008, and over 2 million of these models have been produced year to date. Our engineers worked hard with Subaru to further refine the new engine so it was more efficient and was smoother with less vibration. The end result? A refined 14 horsepower, 404cc overhead cam engine design rather than an overhead valve design. Why do we go to an overhead cam design? Well, for one, it has 7 main parts compared to 12 parts of the previous overhead valve engine. The new engine is a more robust automotive design and with fewer moving parts is more reliable and efficient. The new engine uses an oil dip splash system and has an automotive timing chain. In addition, it also has a hemispherical automotive head design. The engine components are proven designs with a rich history of long, trouble-free use. The EX40 engine has been used in some harsh environments such as cement saws and handheld dirt compactors, which are better known as rammers. 70% of all rammers globally use Subaru engines. Even before our engineering enhancements, this engine was built to handle tough applications. You may not know this, but 70% of the engines that Polaris purchases are Subaru. Subaru has a tremendous reputation in the industry for building high-quality engines. Their state-of-the-art facility in Japan is one of the most advanced in the world. The electronic fuel injection system is very fuel efficient, has no choke cable, and is easy to start in cold or hot weather, and does not need special jetting for high altitudes. The EFI system combined with the new Subaru engine allows us to gain greatly in performance, fuel economy, and starting capabilities. The new transaxle is a dog clutch design that has been in our industry for many years. It has proven to be a very reliable component. The new transaxle reduces shift effort and prevents customer abuse due to the fact it does not have synchro mesh gears. Unlike our competitors, it has a built-in neutral for parking or servicing the vehicle. The axle design also allows for easy brake shoe replacement without having to remove the rear axle. For those areas where extra traction is needed, a new limited slip transaxle design will be available on all gas carryalls as an accessory. The clutches have been designed to work smoothly with the new engine, but we've kept the self-cleaning and self-adjusting designs from our previous clutch. The self-cleaning design enables the clutches to have longer life with less abrupt stops and starts. The self-adjusting eliminates the rattling of the clutches as it wears over the years. We also made the clutch face a little larger to help improve the fuel economy. With the new XL torque system, we kept some of the design components but enhanced the quality and performance. The improved IQ Plus system uses 8 6-volt batteries and utilizes a heavy-duty controller and heavy-duty wires to improve efficiency. The controller has been improved and has similar characteristics as the precedent controller, allowing for full downhill speed control and regen capability after 1 mile per hour. When you combine the lightweight of the Carryall and add to the IQ Plus system, it allows us to travel farther on a charge while still carrying a load. The system has been a proven winner and one that will continue to win for many years to come. The new cab design looks like it's built into the vehicle rather than an afterthought or add-on. The areas on the front and rear of the cab canopy top have been designed to add in LED work lights. The new cab takes half the time to install and decreases cost of installation considerably. Example, the rear panels come down behind the seat backs, so you no longer have to remove them to install the rear part of the cab. New styling form door frame tubes are more automotive to improve the seal between the door windshield and the frame. This improves customer comfort from the cold and the wind. For better ventilation, the cab is designed with a sliding window. We also have designed the front windshield so it will tilt forward to give you additional ventilation. The door key also works with the vehicle ignition. The door latch actuator is solid when closing and very easy to open from the inside of the cab. The overhead area has a cloth design to dampen sound. The internal ergonomics of the cab have also been improved. There is now more headroom, an overhead LED console light, switches for fans, heaters, and much more. The Air charger will be used on the Carryall 300 vehicle, utilizing the 48-volt system with 6 8-volt batteries. It will be sold as a shelf charger. The charger is a solid-state design with a maximum draw of 7.5 amps and is rated at 91% efficiency. This is 10% better than the previous PD3 charger. When the charger is anchored, the AC and DC plugs are designed to break away to protect the internal components of the charger. It is also sealed from dust and water. The Air charger also has a blue power light that indicates there is power from the outlet and a green charging indicator light that indicates the car is charging and at what rate. When the DC cord is plugged into the car, the dash light blinks 3 times, notating the DC cord is properly connected, and the reverse buzzer also buzzes 3 times, indicating the charger has been turned on. The charger also weighs only 8 pounds. It has a USB port which also gives you the ability to upload information into the charger or download information to help troubleshoot any charging issues. The heavy-duty solid-state Delta Q Quick Charge will be used on all Carryall 500 and 700 electric vehicles utilizing the improved IQ Plus system with 8 6-volt batteries. The Carryall 500 and 700 electric vehicles will come standard with the onboard heavy-duty solid-state charger. In addition, a retractable reel cord will also be standard equipment. The solid-state charger has many of the key features that the Aeric charger brings, such as awareness with the dash light and buzzer. The heavy-duty charger draws 9 amps at peak draw. It has a power light like the Aeric charger and has additional lights which show the customer the state of charge or if there is a charger fault. The charger is sealed from water and dust. In summary, we have 2 of the best chargers in the industry, providing unmatched efficiency and reliability. The Trans-Porter 4 will have a rear stake side, rear flip seat, and rear box available. The canopy top has been totally redesigned and now uses heavy-duty struts that also have rubber bushings to prevent rattling and squeaks. This also gives the canopy a much sturdier feel. The hip restraints are rounded and more robust, allowing passengers easy entrance and exit of the vehicle. The seat bottoms now sit on the chassis frame channel, allowing the seat to be easily hinged up. This also allows the seat to become more secure when towing on an open trailer. As you can see, a tremendous amount of work and effort has been put into the development of the new Carryall product line. We hope that you are as excited about the new innovations as we are. We look forward to sharing more information with you in the coming months to better educate you on the new features and benefits that the products have. So with that, I wish you good luck and great selling.